Last week we looked at Marcel Duchamp's bicycle wheel. Duchamp came up with the idea of using other man-made objects in his artwork, things he didn't even make. For him, the idea was the most important thing. The bicycle wheel gave other artists great ideas. Building a Readymade on paper. Duchamp called his works Readymades because, in a sense, the pieces were already made. Try to build a Readymade by tracing man-made objects onto a white piece of paper. The paper is thin enough that you can see through it. You might make a simple construction using only 2 pieces. 3 pieces? Maybe 7 pieces. It's up to you. Here's my Readymade. After constructing your Readymade, we're going to transfer it onto watercolor paper to paint. Turn your drawing over and take a charcoal stick. Hold it on its side and put a light covering over the back of your drawing. Light! This should take 10 seconds. It doesn't have to be precise. Just cover your drawing. Now take your drawing and flip it over onto a piece of watercolor paper. The charcoal should touch the watercolor paper. Try to get it centered and lay it down. Once it's down, try not to move it to prevent smudging. If your original drawing is not centered, it can be adjusted now. Then take 2 pieces of masking tape, put them at the top of your drawing to act as a hinge. This will hold the drawing in place during the transfer process. To transfer the drawing, use a sharp, regular pencil and begin to trace over your whole drawing. Take a peek under your drawing to see if it works. Yes. Try to trace most of your drawing. If you miss some small details, that's okay. Remove your original drawing with the charcoal on the back and recycle it. You may notice some charcoal smudges on your watercolor paper. If you have some, take an eraser, it comes right up. Before we start to use watercolors, take a crayon to trace your drawing again. Try to trace with a crisp, thin, bold line. The wax crayon line will prevent the watercolors from bleeding together. I used a red crayon because I will use red in my background. Dunsville!